Is your Apple Wallet giving you a headache by refusing to accept your card? Don't worry, you're not alone. And this video will guide you through the most common fixes in under 90 seconds. First, double-check every digit of your card number, expiration date, and CVV. A simple typo is the most common culprit. Next, head to your iPhone settings and tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Make sure you are signed in and that your name, phone number, and billing address are all accurate and up-to-date. An outdated or incorrect Apple ID can prevent you from adding cards. Scroll down in Settings to Wallet and Apple Pay and make sure that it is enabled. Sometimes, simply toggling it off and on again can resolve connectivity issues. A weak or unstable internet connection can also interfere with the card addition process. Ensure you are connected to a strong and reliable Wi-Fi network, or try switching to mobile data temporarily. Your iPhone's region setting needs to match the region where your card was issued. Find the language and region settings and confirm that your region is correctly selected. If you've tried all of these steps and still can't add your card, it's time to contact your bank or card issuer. There might be a block on your card for online transactions, or they may need to verify your identity before it can be added to Apple Wallet. As a final resort, consider reaching out to Apple support directly. They may have specific insights or solutions based on your device and account. With a little troubleshooting, you'll be enjoying the convenience of Apple Wallet in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.